everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to X New Energy Technology Changzhou company. With an office area of 500 square meters and a warehouse area of 5,000 square meters, our company has been enrolled in the photovoltaic industry for nearly 10 years and is committed to providing customers with high-quality products and service. First, let's visit our office. X, established in 2015, it's a sales-oriented company dedicated to photovoltaic cell, photovoltaic module, inverter, storage battery, and solar power generation system. Now we are going to visit our showroom. At the moment when the whole world is moving toward the goal of zero carbon emissions, X will go out of China and go to the world to contribute its corporate energy to the world's zero carbon goal. Bring more and better photovoltaic products to every corner of the world that needs it. You can notice on my left side, these are some of our patents and certificates. The innovative non-destructive cutting and high-density packing technology apply to further advantages of high power, high efficiency, high power generation, and high reliability. The power of a single stream module is increased by 34%, and the power range is 400 V to 670 V in response to market demand for black frame or all-black modules. The efficiency is as high as 21.4% to 22.3%. We can see these are our best-selling product samples. X provides customers with complete system solution service, such as demand analyzers, scheme design and design integration, and launch a complete set of off-grid or grid connect systems suitable for local household or industries. Here is our Trina storage Elementa. Energy storage is always customer-oriented, relying on leading independent innovation capabilities and rich research and development experience. Our company is committed to meet customers' demand for electricity, reduce customers' electricity costs, lead a low-carbon life, and create a green future together. Our warehouse only 200 kilometers away from the port of Shanghai, with an area of 20,000 square meters. Its standby components 10 MW, X, brand and Trina, Longji, Kinko, JA, and other first-line brand components. Strengthen the control of the warehouse, automate the business process, improve the timelines of component delivery. First transportation can be directly shipped to the Europe, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Africa, and so on. It can meet the personalized needs of cross-border buyers.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.